Yes, hi guys. I want to teach you how to cook chicken stew. All right. Yeah, concerning the video that I dropped yesterday on how to prepare chicken stew. When you hear chicken stew, I hope you're not confused. You say, "Wow, which one is chicken stew?" Don't worry, calm down. Let me tell you something for free that you need to understand about cooking. Yeah, we call it chicken stew because it's a special stew. We say you go like, I go like, and you use and eat any kind of food rice, yam, plantain, bread, anything eatable. Alright? In case if this is your first time to see this channel is all about how to cook any kind of African food. Any kind of African food. Do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bell and to see updates anytime we drop about our cooking. Alright? I will teach you how to cook any kind of thing that you want. Okay? Yes. In case if you missed the video, go and check my previous post. That's where you will see everything needed that you need to see. This particular video is like a theory about the practical video which I dropped yesterday. Alright. Then first of all, before I proceed, I will tell you things I use in making that particular chicken stew. First of all, I use fresh tomato, I use paste tomatoes, I use chicken. Alright, I use vegetable oil, I use what again? Ginger, I use garlic, I use onions, I use pepper, I use seasoning to arrange this particular recipe wey be say wey dey burst everywhere currently now. Now, how do you use this thing to get that perfect taste that you want? You know, all these things that when you make it up together, that is when you will get that chicken stew. Okay, first of all, what I did is that I spiced my chicken very well. As I always tell you, spicing your chicken or foundation of anything you are doing is very, very important. For example, when you build a house with a poor foundation, that house will not come out well. So come to food aspect, when you cook with that proper foundation, in the sense that how you spice your meat or how you put your ingredients, trust me, your food will not also come out well. All right, now what I did first of all, after washing my chicken, go and check the practical. I'm here just to explain to you in case I will explain in details. After watching this video, do well to go and check the practical video of this particular thing I'm talking about. All right, then after bringing my chicken, I washed it, put it in the pot and spice it. When spicing it, I add ginger, I add curry, I add thyme, I add salt, I add seasoning. All right, as I make all these things up together, then after everything, I have to turn it together, mix it well to make sure that all the ingredients, all the spices rub well in chicken. Then after that, I put the chicken in my pot and set my fire, my gas or electric, anyone you're using. Then allow the meat or the chicken, I'm talking about chicken now, allow the chicken to produce water by itself. Don't add water when you're trying to steam it. Allow the chicken to produce water by itself. When the chicken produces water, allow the chicken also to take back that water which it produced. Then after that, you add your water that you want to use in cooking this particular chicken to get done. And when cooking, you can cook for like 10 to 15 minutes because agric fowl, agric whatever is not hard to get set. After everything, when you start cooking, then you turn it in a bowl. All right, when you turn it in a bowl, you add in your vegetable oil once your pot is dry. After adding your vegetable oil, don't cook with low heat. After that, don't forget the fresh tomato I used, I sliced it, I did not blend it. And the onions, I did not blend it, I sliced it. Some people, you can blend your onions, your shombo, your tomato, you can blend everything together. But this particular one, I sliced it. That is why I call it chicken stew. All right. Now, after when you put your onions, do well to as you put your onions, immediately don't waste time. Add your fresh tomatoes, add your paste tomatoes. All right. Then cook everything together or fry everything together. Don't cover the pot when doing this. Then allow it to cook for the minimum of 15 minutes. Depend the pressure of your fire or your gas or your electric you are using to arrange this. After that, then once you see that, how you will know that the tomato is ready to go is when you find out that oil will come on top to settle, on top of the tomato when you're frying it to settle. Then you add in your ginger, add in your curry, add in your seasoning, add in your salt, add in your pepper. When you do all this and continue turning, because if you fail to turn it, at the end you will find out that your food, your tomato is getting burnt under. Alright, before you add in all these things I mentioned, make sure that you will add in the chicken and the water. Why? If you do not, maybe after adding chicken and the water, then you test to know the condition, if there is any other thing you need to add. Alright, before adding salt, pepper and seasoning, so that it will not be over spicy. Remember that over spicy food is not really nice. Then after adding this one, you add in the spices that you need, being ginger, garlic, pepper, salt, seasoning, any other thing you want to add, and cook for some minutes and bring it down. Let me tell you this, some people think that you need to have plenty money before cooking. No, you can also do this with low budget. You must not go to the market and buy chicken of million or thousand. You can easily get half kilo of chicken and make this possible. Alright, cooking is very sweet and very simple for only people that understand this perfectly. What do you think? If you have watched this video to this level and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Touch on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell to be getting updates anytime we drop our video about how to cook. But trust me, after this you will always learn how to cook. If you miss the video, you can see where I put, you will see it. Touch the play, touch that play logo there, the play symbol. It will take you direct to the practical of this video. Thank you for watching. I love you all.